Unreal Engine 5.8 is out, and Epic's been clear about what it is. The last planned major release of Unreal Engine 5 before they move on to Unreal Engine 6. That makes it the version most stages will use for the meantime, so it's worth knowing it's here. The headline for us is MegaLights. It's now production ready, which means you can throw a lot more moving shadow casting lights into a scene and still hold your frame rate. On a wall, that's the difference between a lighting setup that looks alive and one you have to fake. The Coalition showed it running hundreds to thousands of lights in Gears of War and still holding 60 FPS. Other tools have improved: Movie Render Graph, Live Link Hub, Audio Insights, the new cloth system. These are the bits you actually use on a shoot day, so having the production ready label is the useful part. Lumen also got a lighter version that runs global illumination at 60, even on weaker hardware. And then there's the bigger picture. Epic walked through the road to Unreal Engine 6, new scripting, projects that move between games and platforms, more automation in the pipeline. That's aimed at games first, and it's early access end of 2027, so it's not changing your next shoot for now at least. 5.8 is the one to get on.